Hello and welcome. Here we are going to create a program in Python in which we will enter the name of the channel and we will click the button, and the program will search the YouTube channel for us in web browser. Instead of going to the YouTube and then search for the channel, this program will search it directly. Same is the case with the Google. Just click on the Google button and it will search us for on the internet. Let's start with creating the Tkinter window. So this is the window we are creating by setting the title, and we will set the geometry for it, and then we will create a window. There is the geometry. This is the length, width, and the placement or x and y coordinates. Next is setting the background color, which is light blue, and we will create a window. Let's see how our window looks like. There it is. So the base is done. Let's get into the detail. First create a label which will be of text. Enter the name. So this is the label, name to search or whatever, and set the font. We are setting the font for it. (20) size and bold. And now place this text on our window. XY coordinate, and let's see how is it. So it's error, some error in it. Let's see where it is. Okay, there it is. We will adjust this accordingly. So it looks a bit good. Okay, next. Now we will create a text box where we will ask the user to enter the name or whatever search he wants, he or she wants. So this is of type text field of entry, that is input type. Set the font for it. You can copy the font values or whatever. Okay, so place this text field on our window. There you go. There is a text, label text, and then the field entry where we will search. Next is the button. We will create a button. Let's name it YouTube button, and it is of kind button type. Set the text for it, YouTube. Simply you can set the font and text, font size and color, and justification where you want to put it, and set the width for the button. We will set the font again. Background is red. YouTube is basically red color. So place this button on our window. There you go. We have a button, a text field, and a label. Next is we can copy paste this button as well for Google. So let's create a button for Google, same as search button YouTube. You can copy this, and we just change the PG color. So let's do the green color for it, and now place this button under the YouTube button. Let's see, it's okay. Now it looks good. we have a text field and two buttons on it. Now the important thing is to do the coding for the button. We will click, and so first is we need to import web browser, as we want to open the web browser as soon as the button is clicked. So we will import the web browser library. Next we are creating a function named it find YouTube, and we will create a variable find request, and we will give it the text we are getting in the text field, and we are setting the URL www.youtube.com/results question mark search underscore query is equal to the find request, that is the text which the user will enter, and then we will set this URL to the web browser.open, so that the browser will open with the search. So we call this function in our button. So there is some error. Let's see what's the error. Okay, web browser spelling is incorrect. Okay, let's see, enter and click button. Okay, there is some error. Let's check again. There is some error. Okay, that was the error was in the web browser spelling again, and now you can see it is doing good. On YouTube button we enter the text, and after clicking the YouTube button it is searching. Now do it the same for Google button. Copy this same function. Let's copy this same function, and we will rename the function as find underscore Google. So it will find a text on the Google, and just change the URL google.com, and the query will be different, search underscore not, it is search question mark q is equal to find request, and we will call this function in a search underscore button underscore Google as command is equal to find underscore Google, and let's run this again. Okay, let's see, it's searching. No, there is something missing. Let's see what's missing. Go to our code and let's see where is the problem. Okay, okay, there's some error. Let's find it out. Okay, there you go. The query is not correct. Search question mark q is equal to, let me correct it. There you go, there is the error. So we will fix it and run it, and now it will search on Google as well. There you go, that's it. This is the function, and this is the program which is doing it, the search automatically instead of going to the website or web page.